सबको मेरे चैनल में फिर एक बार स्वागत। आज हम चलते हैं डिज्नीलैंड के दूसरा दिन। वहाँ क्या क्या देखा, आप सब आइए मेरे साथ और उसे देखिए। और जैसे कि मैं हर बार कहता हूँ कि आप मेरे चैनल को जब देख रहे हैं, मुझे मोटिवेशन करने के लिए जरूर मेरे चैनल का आप सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन में प्रेस करें। चलते हैं।
You enjoyed your travels with us and you'll come back and see us again real soon. Those of you traveling on, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we'll be on our way in just a minute as soon as we get clearance from the other train. Our next scheduled stop will be New Orleans Square. At this time, we need everyone seated. We need all children towards the center of the road, away from the vehicle opening.
Mickey's Toontown and Tomorrowland, followed by a visit to the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. We got a lot of traveling ahead of us, so remember, for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your children. Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Did you folks hear that? Sounds to me like we've reached the wilds of Adventureland, where you just might run into a lot of savage critters out there, including lions and tigers and tiki birds. Everybody best be on the lookout. You never know just what may show up. We're approaching our first stop, New Orleans Square Station. This station's...
Keep basically until the train drops. No, it's just another stop in the...
डिज्नीलैंड में बहुत थीम बेस्ड राइड्स हैं। वैसे ही एक राइड में आप सब चलिए मेरे साथ। आप देखते हैं कैसे कहानी हमारे सामने पेश होता है।
Set off in search of honey. Happy Wednesday!
ये राइड यही खत्म होता है। अब चलते हैं आगे का आनंद लेने। आपको याद होगा फर्स्ट डे को डिज्नीलैंड में हम इस बोट राइड का मजा लिया। अब बाहर से देखते हैं लोग इस बोट का मजा कैसे लेते हैं। देखिए बहुत ही फेमस मूवी पायरेट्स ऑफ कैरिबियन, इस पर आधारित ये थीम है। अब चलिए डिज्नीलैंड का एक बहुत ही एडवेंचर भरा बोट राइड घने जंगल।
Yeah. No. Now I could hit it. Now you could hit it. Yeah. Yeah, wave goodbye to all the nice people on the dock. Now wave goodbye to Nathan over there. He has feelings too. Welcome on board the world famous Jingle Cruise. I'll be your skipper for the next 5 days and 10 romantic nights. Just a couple of safety reminders. Remain seated at all times. Keep all body parts inside the boat at all times. So please watch over all your adorable children, okay? Hopefully the adorable ones. Up on our way back right here. Alright, well, right over here we have Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Now this is called Temple of the Forbidden Eye because Temple of the Forbidden means is terrible grammar. Our archaeologists right here are planning a big and elaborate New Year's Eve party. They keep talking about something about a big ball dropping. I don't know, it sounds like there's gonna be a lot of fun. This is ancient Cambodian shrine we just entered, built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. We have our alligator Ginger right here. Now be careful with Ginger. Ginger's nasty. Yeah. Looks like we're approaching our first stop right here. Yes, we are. This is the sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Now feel free to take all the pictures you like. They all have their trunks on. Now right over here at the waterfall, you're going to see Bertha, the elephant. Now Bertha has been sitting in that shower for many years. And every holiday season, we always spoil her with gifts. We always spoil her and shower her with gifts. And this year, we just decided to simply shower her. A very smelly elephant. So kids, make sure you take a shower every day or else you'll turn into an elephant, okay? Need my little buddy to have horsies and, look at this. That pride of kitty cat is protecting that sleeping horsey. Aww. Because that's how horsies sleep here in the jungle. Not breathing, their necks half bent. Yeah, very precious. Now this is why you should never argue with the rhino. The rhino will always get his point across. In the end.
अब चलते हैं It's a Small World, इसके बारे में मैं पहला दिन जो शो था उसमें बताया था। और यहाँ आपको दुनिया का कोने कोने में जो टॉयज है यहाँ उसका भंडार मिलेगा। आप देखते रहिएगा सारे दुनिया से लाए गए टॉयज, इसमें इंडिया का भी टॉयज है।
Willkommen. Für Ihre Sicherheit bleiben Sie bitte während der Bootsfahrt sitzen und behalten Sie die Hände, Arme, Füße und Beine im Boot. Bitte achten Sie auf Ihre Stimme. Danke. Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you.
अब देखिए इंडियन टॉर्च। अब हम यहाँ का जो राइड है इसे खत्म करके हम निकल पड़ते हैं टून टाउन, जहाँ डिज्नी कैरेक्टर रहते हैं। इस टून टाउन में मिकी माउस कैरेक्टर के साथ हम भी फोटो खिंचवाते हैं, जैसे कि बाकी सारे टूरिस्ट फोटो खिंचवाते हैं। अब है ये सबमरीन राइड, पानी के अंदर का एडवेंचर का मजा।
Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost sea.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor, hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event.
Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
ये सब राइड के बाद आज का ये वीडियो यहीं पर हम समाप्त करते हैं, और इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।